Today, we'll be reverse engineering the Skygofree Android malware using Ghidra. Skygofree is one of the most advanced Android spyware tool ever uncovered. It's capable of accessing files, recording audios, capturing photos, uploading WhatsApp data, and even extracting browser history, all silently in the background. In this video, we'll walk through the internal structure and behavior of this malware, step by step directly from its decompiled code. So I have already set up the Skygofree binary and auto-analyzed it in the Ghidra. So our first task is to identify where execution begins. So we find the onCreate function. It sets up components like layout inflators, but the seemingly harmless behavior could actually mask deeper payload delivery. So for now we open define strings. We filter through some known keywords like file. We come across references to Android File Manager, delete APK files, and various upload related paths. These clues suggest file manipulation and exfiltration capabilities. Additionally, we spot strings like could not create temp file and others related to logging and cleanup, indicating that this malware not only steals data but also attempts to cover its track. So let's go to Android File Manager and search. Here we identify a function named sendFileThread. This method is central to the file exfiltration process. It creates a file path, retrieves the upload server URL via utility call, and finally invoke to file upload. After upload, it deletes the file and logs the operation. This is a clear instance of automated file theft combined with post-exfiltration cleaning up, a classic indicator of stealth-focused spyware. We go back to the define string and search for the camera. Here we discover reference to Android camera.java, permissions such as Android permission camera, and hard-coded URLs like URL upload camera. This shows that Skygofree isn't just accessing the camera, it's actively preparing to transmit captured images to remote servers. To dive deeper, we go to Android camera. It determines whether the front or rear camera should be used, configures a surface texture to avoid showing a preview to the user, sets the resolution and focus mode, and calls start preview silently. This behavior confirms the ability to take pictures without alerting the user. It's one of the most invasive capabilities of the spyware, showing how it performs surveillance without any visible sign. Going back to the define strings, we search by the word audio. Searching for terms like audio and record, we find entries such as record audio, audio manager, audio focus gain, and media recorder. These are all signs that Skygofree is set up to capture microphone input. So we inspect some files. So if we search some keyword like recording, we might get some functions. So here it's start recording. We inspect the start recording function in Android System Service. The code begins by checking available memory and constructs a file path for recording. A media recorder object is configured with microphone as the source and parameters like sample rate, byte rate, and format are defined. If conditions are met, it starts recording and optionally logs call audio by checking internal flags. Upon successful recording, the file is uploaded and then deleted to erase evidence. This proves Skygofree's ability to act as a stealth voice recorder. Continuing our investigation, we filter our strings with the term upload. We find an organized structure of URL constraints such as upload, URL upload SMS, URL upload call, URL upload camera, and even URL upload WhatsApp SMS. These are specialized endpoints suggesting Skygofree organizes data by type and dispatches it to corresponding server-side handlers. This is critical for managing and processing. Now, we will filter the symbol tree with the word upload. Here we get functions like do file upload. So this function, it sets up an OK HTTP client for HTTP post requests, creates multi-part from with fields like serial number, file name, hash, and timestamp, encrypts data using AES and cryptoutils, and sends the payload to the specified payload URL. Once confirms, it deletes the local file. This method represents the heart of Skygofree data exfiltration system. Now, going back to the symbol tree, we explore the AN class. Classes reveal how the malware integrates deeply with Android's framework, possibly hijacking broadcast receivers, services, and content providers. This level of access enables persistence, task automation, and broader system. Further analysis here would help identify additional hidden behavior. This method navigates to a file named list history inside cache 12, checks connectivity, and uploads the file to uploadhistory.php. A successful upload triggers the command history yes, confirming yet another surveillance module. By now, we have uncovered modules for file theft, photo capture, voice and call recordings, WhatsApp surveillance, history monitoring, and stealthy scheduling via Android services. This malware is modular, adaptable, and deeply embedded within the Android ecosystem. Its use of encrypted communication, systematic upload handling, and service hooks makes it one of the most dangerous spyware frameworks ever analyzed.